Alright, today we've got the SilverStone Raven unboxing. It's a 3200 DPI laser mouse with X and Y axis controls. It's SSTRV M01B is the model number. Got lots of information on the back. Nice diagrams. It tells us what each and every button does. Got a whole lot of buttons on this mouse actually. Alright, let's crack it open. Back. Manual. And of course, we've got a sealed box. So, get the handy dandy razor knife out here. Well, it turns out I didn't have to use a razor knife. Got driver software CD. And the mouse itself. If I can get it out. Okay, it's a fairly large mouse. It's very large, actually. Let's try a little light on the subject. Standard USB connection. We got one toggle wheel on the side. We got two buttons here. Got two more buttons on top. Two more buttons on the right side. Standard. Wheel. Sensor. Teflon feet. If we go back to the box, this is 8 and 9 here are page up and page down. This would be number 10, which is preset DPI change, and flip 3D supposedly. 7 and 8. Scroll right, scroll left. Just noticing here the diagram is off actually, according to with the numbers. Anyway, got a nice carbon fiber look to it. When it turns on, the flip 3D wheel actually glows a blue color. SilverStone logo on the back. It's a nice mouse, but I'm not sure how it's going to work, as it is really big. Guess we'll find out, huh? It's like a non-slip rubberized surface. On the bottom, got a switch for normal and game mode. Of course, there is software that comes with it. That's about it. I guess we'll take some pictures and I'll give you a review of this mouse. Curious to see what it is. There's supposed to be an OLED here that tells you the DPI settings, etc. And we'll see how SilverStone's first foray into the gaming mouse arena is shortly.